Kilo Quebec uniform, Cessna 150 is ready at holding point Alpha, runway 064 circuit.
Kilo Quebec uniform tower, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Kilo Quebec uniform.
Brakes, undercarriage is stowed and secure, mixture is on rich, fuel is sufficient, engine instruments are in the green, hatches and harnesses are secure.
Kilo Quebec uniform, downwind 4 full stop.
Kilo Quebec uniform, clear to land.
Clear to land, Kilo Quebec uniform.
I did one solo circuit. Landing was smooth. Yeah, I feel pretty good. Yeah, it's a good feeling. It's like when Daenerys takes her dragon up for the first time.
Vla.
It's the greatest feeling, coming back down. It's a feeling I'll never forget. We're part of the team now.
Yay! Congratulations!